When I was a kid, after seeing Johnny Number 5 Robot from the movie Short Circuit, it has always been my dream to build a robot We expect Robelf not to be just a partner. It needs to provide more innovative functions. Robelf can charge itself.
Oh, I am so tired.
The iBeacon Bluetooth transmitter system that is integrated inside the charging station will signal Robelf to return to the charging dock each time it runs out of power.
Robelf, I'm back.
Do you want to hear Mom and Sweetie's voicemail now?
Honey, I'll go buy something. If you're hungry, there's pizza in the fridge. I'll be back later, love you.
We also want Robelf to guard the family memories, just like a family guardian. Robelf's interactive entertainment system can take your voice commands.
Robelf, what story are we going to tell tonight?
You choose. Pinocchio, the Three Little Pigs, or do you want to hear again Lisa's favorite, the Greedy Elephant?
Daddy, I want Mommy with us.
Robelf has a detachable back camera, the Elfi. It helps Robelf to record family movies. The rack designed for the Elfi allows you to get the best shot angles. You can also use Robelf to preview images from the Elfi. Everyone is connected with zero distance. Robelf's robotic structure design is patented. The neck of the robot has a 90-degree angle movement flexibility, so even adults can easily use the touchscreen while standing up. The removable camera can be placed anywhere in the house. On the back of the camera, a memory stick and battery is attached to it and can be placed anywhere in the house to film and take photos. Robelf uses anti-noise microphones, allowing it to easily locate the person speaking to Robelf and record the voice from the speaker while the person is giving it commands. The Life Assistant function allows Robelf to give any information you might be interested in, such as the weather or news.
Hey, Robelf. Good morning.
Morning. Papa, Seattle's weather today is 70% of rain. Remember your umbrella?
Okay, thank you.
In addition to that, you can even schedule a daily lesson for your cute little girl.
Do you want to start your daily lessons now?
Okay.
Do you know the biggest animal in the world? The whale.
The past 4 years, our team has been working on making this robot more advanced, and now we invite you to join us together to make this robot come to life.
Once in a lifetime, an innovation comes along that changes the course of mankind. A modern marvel of science and engineering. Allow me to introduce Cosmo. Cosmo? Cosmo! Oh boy. Yes, Cosmo. We can play later.
This is your house. This is your car. This is your toothbrush. These are your things. But these are the things that matter. And somewhere in between is this guy. Introducing Jibo, the world's first family robot. Say hi, Jibo.
Hi, Jibo.
Jibo helps everyone out throughout their day. He's the world's best cameraman. By intelligently tracking the action around him, he can independently take video and photos, so that you can put down your camera and be a part of the scene.
Jibo, take the picture.
He's a hands-free helper. You can talk to him, and he'll talk to you back, so you don't have to skip a beat.
Excuse me, Anne?
Yes, Jibo.
Melissa just sent a reminder that she's picking you up in half an hour to go grocery shopping.
Thanks, Jibo.
He's an entertainer and educator. Through interactive applications, Jibo can teach.
Let me in, or else I'll...
Huh.
And I'll...
Huh.
And I'll blow your house in.
Hey, where'd you go? There you are.
He's the closest thing to a real-life teleportation device. He can turn and look at whoever you want with a simple tap of your finger.
Check out my turkey dinner, Mom.
I wish you wouldn't eat that.
Hey, they make turkey pizza? I want turkey pizza.
And he's a platform, so his skills keep expanding. He'll be able to connect to your home.
Welcome home, Eric.
Hey, buddy. Can you order some takeout for me?
Sure thing. Chinese, as usual?
You know me so well.
And even be a great wingman.
You have a voice message from Ashley. Want to hear it?
Absolutely.
Hey, call me when you're home.
Better make that takeout for two, Jibo.
We've dreamt of it for years, and now he's finally here. And he's not just an aluminum shell, nor is he just a 3-axis motor system. He's not even just a connected device. He's one of the family.
Good night, Jibo.
Jibo, this little bot of mine.
Say hello to Pepper. Pepper is high-tech, low-maintenance, and not your typical robot. Pepper's not here to replace humans or even vacuum the floor. Pepper is here to make people happy, help them grow, and enhance their lives. Think of it as high-tech. You can high-five.
Awesome.
Pepper can be incredibly helpful interacting with customers and solving problems, or providing information. That's because Pepper is a friend, an advisor, and a business partner. In fact, there's only one thing Pepper isn't: a finished product. And that's where you come in. By creating new content and new usages, developers just like you will progressively advance Pepper's growth. And you'll quickly discover that not only do Pepper's SDKs make it easy to jump right in, but this is also unlike anything else you've ever worked on. Because now, your ideas truly do come to life. So, what do you say? Want a challenge? Want to make the world a better place? Want to just hack into something really freaking cool with endless possibilities? Then we want you. Pepper's SDK comes with access to a smart, passionate, vibrant community with tons of development support. So join the movement to enhance and elevate Pepper, the emotional humanoid robot built to benefit mankind. Oh, and remember, it's not just a robot. It's Pepper.
Hi, Big Eye, come here.
Big Eye, if you see me wave my hand, please turn on the lamp.
Well, hey, Big Eye. How much time do I have before I have to start my meeting?
46 minutes, Mom.
Thanks, Big Eye. Right, I'm leaving now, boys. Bye.
Big Eye, if I am still in the living room after 12 p.m., please remind me to work out.
It's time for your workout.
Okay, what's first?
You need to sift thoroughly the flour, baking powder, and salt.
Oh. Big Eye, can you help me clean up the floor, please? Hey, what do you think?
If you see Jake still asleep in his room, turn on lights and play music.
A stranger approaches the front door.
If I raise my hand like this, play me some music. There.
The temperature outside is 45 degrees F. You will need a jacket.
It's time to eat.